औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम एजुकेशनल असेसमेंट एंड एवेलुएशन और इस वक्त हम यूनिट नंबर 7 को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम प्लानिंग एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिंग क्लासरूम टेस्ट्स है। और इसको प्रेजेंटेड बाय मैं यानी आपके साथ मोहम्मद सफला खान मुखातिब हूँ। और हमारा इसका बीएड का ये कोर्स है जिसका कोर्स कोड नंबर 8602 है और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो आइए स्टूडेंट शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले इसका इंट्रोडक्शन है तो क्या विद द अप्रोच फॉर इंक्रीज अकाउंटेबिलिटी इन द एजुकेशनल सिस्टम इट इज़ vital that educators are able to apply a wide range of psychometric skills appropriate to the assessment of the students with the different pace of learning and background. It is equally critical that educators have a comprehensive understanding of current measurement and evaluation trends such as competence testing, performance assessment, curriculum based assessment, and standardized assessment. There are six major steps in planning and conducting an assignment: defining instructions, objectives, outlining course contents, development a test specification, construction of test items, administration of असेसमेंट एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन टेस्ट स्कोर्स। यानी कि ये स्टूडेंट्स आगे हम इंट्रोडक्शन में फर्दर देखेंगे। देयर आर 8 मेजर स्टेप्स इन प्लानिंग एंड कंडक्टिंग एज असाइनमेंट। वो पहली क्या है, डिफाइनिंग इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। फिर हमारे पास आउटलाइनिंग कोर्स कंटेंट, डेवलपिंग अ टेस्ट स्पेसिफिकेशन, selection of appropriate assessment task, preparation of relevant assessment task or construction of test items, assemble of assessment task, administration and assessment, फिर क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन टेस्ट स्कोर्स। तो स्टूडेंट्स आगे देखते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव्स इस यूनिट के वो क्या हैं। एप्रोप्रिएट qualities need to determine the quality of classroom test, develop different types of test items for selected response test items, develop different types of test items for constructed response test items, effectively administrate classroom testing, utilize the techniques of objectively स्कोर एंड ग्रेड टेस्ट्स। तो आगे स्टूडेंट्स बाकायदा आगाज करते हैं इस यूनिट का। सबसे पहले हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, प्लानिंग आ टेस्ट। ये क्या है, नंबर 1 पे क्या है, प्री टेस्ट। टेस्टिंग टेस्ट्स एंड असेसमेंट कैन बी गिवन एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ एन इंस्ट्रक्शनल यूनिट और कोर्स टू डिटरमिन वेदर द स्टूडेंट्स हैव द prerequisite skills need for the instruction, readiness, motivation, etc. To what extent the students have already achieved the objective of planning instructions, to determine planning, placement or modification of instructions. Number 2 पे क्या है, during the instructions test provide based for formative assessment, monitor learning process, deduct learning errors, provide feedback for students and teachers. Number 3 पे क्या, end of instruction testing, measure instant learning outcome using for formative assessment. फिर क्या, providing base for grades, promotion, etc. Test specification, item specification describe the item, promotes or task and any other material such as text, diagram and charts which are used as stimuli, typically specific at the sub-level contents to keys elements, samples of the task to be produced and guide language that determine all information necessary to produce the task. Presentation model provides information how the items and tasks are presented to the test tasks. फिर है जी assembly model help the test development to combine test items and tasks. to develop a test formation. फिर है developing model. Developing model tells how the actual test is developed item. It is included in the information regarding test administration, test security, confidently and time constraint. आगे मेरे पास स्टूडेंट ये एक टेबल आ रहा है फिगर आपकी बुक्स में भी है 7.1. इससे हम स्टडी करते हैं ये क्या है टेबल ऑफ स्पेसिफिकेशन फॉर सोशल स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 6. ये जी लेफ्ट साइड पे आप देख रहे हैं स्टूडेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं जिसमें कंटेंट आ रहा है, क्लाइमेट आ रहा है, रिसोर्स आ रहा है, पॉपुलेशन आ रहा है, सोसाइटी आ रहा है, टोटल आ रहा है, और उसके बाद राइट साइड पे आप देखें तो नॉलेज है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, एप्लीकेशन है और परसेंटेजेस हैं. इन सब में जो है ये LA जो है फिर ऐसे MCQs के अंदर जो है इनके जो मार्क्स आए हैं, परसेंटेजेस आई हैं आपके सामने. टोटल जो है 4 एक में आ रही है, एक में 8 आ रही है, एक में 12 आ रही है, 4 है 8 है, यानी कि यहाँ नीचे की में दिया है LA यानी कि लॉन्ग आंसर है, ऐसे का मतलब शॉर्ट आंसर है, और MCQs बेसिक यानी कि सब में जो मार्क्स हैं उनकी नॉलेज के हिसाब से, अंडरस्टैंडिंग के हिसाब से और एप्लीकेशन के हिसाब से परसेंटेजेस नोट की गई हैं. तो एक में 25 किए तो टोटल ये 100% जो है नोट किए. तो नंबर ऑफ आइटम क्वेश्चन एंड परसेंटेज में भी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्टिव कंटेंट एंड हायरार्की ऑफ लैंग्वेज. तो ये है. आगे हम चलते हैं जनरल consideration in constructing objective test items. तो ये क्या है, the second step in test planning is determine the formation and language of the test. The formation is based on the different types of items to be included in the test. The construction of valid and good test item is skill just like effective teaching. Generally there are two types of objective टेस्ट आइटम्स पे. वो क्या है, सेलेक्ट टाइप और फिर क्या सप्लाई टाइप. आगे क्या चलते हैं स्टूडेंट, एक और आपके पास पिक्चर आ रही है, इसको हम देखते हैं. सेलेक्ट टाइप आइटम्स में क्या होता है, और ये इसमें क्या होता है मैचिंग आइटम्स. अकॉर्डिंग टू W. Warren and SG 1990 द मैच आइटम्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 parallel columns. The columns on the left contains the questions to be answered terms premises. The column on the right and at the answer term response the students is asked to associate each permission with the response to form the match paid. For example ये क्या कॉलम A लेफ्ट साइड पे आप देख रहे हैं क्या है, कॉलम A कैपिटल सिटी और कॉलम लेफ्ट राइट साइड पे कॉलम B. इसके इस नंबर कॉलम A में क्या है, इस्लामाबाद, तेहरान, इस्तांबुल, मद्रास एंड हंगू, और B में क्या है ईरान, स्पेन, पुर्तगाल, पाकिस्तान, नीदरलैंड, तुर्की और वेस्ट जर्मनी. आगे हम करते हैं डिसएडवांटेजेस. ये क्या है जी, द प्रिंसिपल डिफ़िकल्टी विद द मैचिंग एक्सरसाइजेज इज़ दैट teachers often find that the subject matter is sufficient in quantity or not will suit for the match term, and exercise should be confined to homogeneous item containing one type of subject matter. For in instance, authorities novel inventions, major events, data term definition, rules, example and the like. आगे क्या है, suggestion for the writing match items. इसमें क्या, here are some of the suggestion for writing match items. Okay, key both the list of descriptions and the list of the objective fairly short and homogeneous. They should be both fit on the same page. Title the list to ensure homogeneity and arrange the description and objectives in some long local order. If this is important, you will probably including too wide variety in the exercise. फिर क्या, try construction 2 or more exercise. फिर क्या नंबर 2 पे make sure that all the objectives are constructs for each description to ensure homogeneity of list. फिर है number 3 पे the list of description on the left side should contain the longer phrases or the statement, whereas the option on the right side should contain of short phrases, words or symbols. Number 4 पे के each description in the list should be numbered, each is in item, and list of objectives should be identified by letter. आगे क्या है advantages, ये क्या है the chief advantage of the machine matching exercise is that a good deal of factual information can be tested in manual time, making the test compare and efficient. They are especially well suited to who, what, when, they were type of subject matter. Further, in students frequently find the test fun to take because they have puzzle qualities to them. आगे क्या है हमारे पास भी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन MCQs. इसमें क्या होता है, ये नॉर्मन ई गोरोलन ने 1990 में कहा था, राइटिंग written that the multiple choice question is probably the most popular as well as the most widely application and effective type of objective test. Students select a single response from the list of objective. The STEAM may be stated as the direct question or as an incomplete statement. For example, direct question ये क्या है, जैसे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन वो पूछे व्हाट इज़ द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान, ये स्टीम क्वेश्चन है. फिर है ए है ए ऑप्शन लाहौर, बी ऑप्शन कराची, सी इस्लामाबाद, डी पेशावर. तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन होगा सी यानी कि इस्लामाबाद. तो इसका इसलिए यहाँ पे की लिखे, बाकी सारे जो है वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट रहे. आगे चलते हैं. आगे अगला कह रहा है इनकम्प्लीट स्टेटमेंट कैसे है, क्योंकि गलत है. द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान ये है, ऐसे सवाल आ सकते हैं. ए लाहौर, बी कराची, सी इस्लामाबाद, डी पेशावर. तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन सी यानी कि इस्लामाबाद. आगे हम चलते हैं. रूल्स फॉर द राइटिंग मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ये क्या है. नंबर 1 यूज़ प्लेसेबल डिस्ट्रक्टर राइटिंग रिस्पॉन्स ऑप्शन. इसमें क्या है, ओनली लिस्ट प्लेसिबल डिस्ट्रक्टर्स इवन इफ द नंबर ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स पर क्वेश्चन चेंज. राइट द ऑप्शन सो दैट दे आर होमोजीनियस इन कंटेंट. फिर है use answers even in previous open-ended exam to provide realistic destructors. Number 2 है use a question for format. फिर experts encourage multiple choice items to be prepared as questions rather than incomplete statement. फिर incomplete statement for फॉर्मेशन. द कैपिटल ऑफ AJK इज डैश. वो क्या है, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन इस तरह फॉर्मेट में आएगा. फिर क्या इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटीज़ इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ AJK. वो क्या है. नंबर 3 में क्या है, एम्फसाइज ऑफ हाई लेवल थिंकिंग. ये कि यूज़ में मेमरी प्लस एप्लीकेशन क्वेश्चन. ये कि दीज क्वेश्चन रिक्वायर स्टूडेंट्स टू रिकॉल प्रिंसिपल रूल्स और फैक्ट्स इन द रियल लाइफ कंटेंट. आगे क्या है, रूल्स राइट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. ये क्या है. नंबर 4 पे इसी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. हम आगे देख रहे हैं वो क्या है. नंबर 4 पे की ओपनड लेंस सिमिलर. फिर है बैलेंस द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द करेक्ट आंसर. फिर क्या है, बी ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट, अवॉइड क्लूज टू करेक्ट आंसर. फिर क्या, अवॉइड नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन. फिर क्या, यूज ओनली वन करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फिर क्या, और be sure the best option is clearly the best option. फिर क्या नंबर 10 पे give clear instructions. फिर क्या नंबर 11 पे use only a single clearly defined problem and include the mean items in the question. फिर क्या avoid all the above option. फिर क्या avoid the none of the above option. फिर क्या doesn't use the MCQs when other items types are more appropriate. आगे क्या स्टूडेंट समझ में. एडवांटेजेस ये क्या है, द चीफ एडवांटेज ऑफ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू N.E. Groven 1990 is its vulnerability. For instance, it is capable of being applied to wide range of subject areas in constrained to choose answer items. List the writer to those content area that are capable of being started in one or two words. Multiple choice items necessary bound or to homogeneous items containing and on type of subject matter as a match item, and the multiple choice question greatly reduce the opportunity for the students to guess the correct answer from the one answer in the two with the truth. False items to one of the four or five. They can be increased the reliability of the test further, since a multiple choice item contains plausible incorrect or less correct alternative. It prompts the test constructors to turn the discrimination, the degree or homogeneity of the response, and control the difficulties level of the test. आगे क्या हमारे पास डिसएडवांटेज में ये है एनी ग्रोनल 1990s में रिटर्न द मल्टीपल चॉइस आइटम्स आर difficulty to construct suitable destructors are often hard to come by. The teacher is tempted to fill the word with the junk response. The effect of narrow and the range of the options with available to the test wide study, they are also exactly time consuming to fashion one house per question being by no means the exception. Finally, they generally take students long to complete, especially items containing fine discrimination, than do other types of objective questions. आगे क्या है? Suggestions for the writing the MCQs items ये क्या है? Here are some guidelines for the writing the multiple choice questions. Number one पे क्या है? The stem of the item should clearly formulate a problem, including as much of the item as possible, keeping the response options as shown as possible, however including only the material need to make the problems clearly and specifically. He consign doesn't add extraneous information. Number two, be sure that there is one and more only correct or clear best answer. Number three, be sure wrong answer choice with destructors are plausible, eliminate unintentional grammatic clues, and keep the length and form of all the answer choose equally routed the position of the correct answers from items to items randomly. फिर है नंबर टू पे सप्लाई टाइप आइटम्स. एक है कंप्लीट आइटम्स, एक है लाइक ट्रू फॉल्स आइटम्स. कंप्लीट completion items are relatively easy to write. Perhaps the item test classroom teachers consider, and students take complete test like items of the other formats. Through there are good and poor completion items. Students fill in one or more blanks in a statement. There are also known as gap filler. Most effective for assessing knowledge the and comprehensive learning outcome, but can be written for higher level outcome. Example के the capital city of Pakistan is dash. ये कहते suggestions for the writing completion or sportive items. आगे क्या है? short number बी में short items. Students supply a response to the question that might consist of the single word or a phrase. Most effective for assessing knowledge and comprehensive learning outcome, but can be written by high level outcome. Short answer items and of two types. Because simple direct question ये कि who are the first president of the Pakistan, ये कि ये एक सवाल है, इसमें क्या कंप्लीट आइटम है, आइटम्स है. फिर एडवांटेज normal E. Grantran 1990 write the short answer items has the number of advantages. तो उसमें नंबर 1 पे क्या, द रिड्यूस द likelihood that a student will guess the correct answer. फिर क्या है, they are relatively easy for teachers to construct. फिर क्या है, they are will adopt the mathematics, the science, and the foreign language where the specific type of the knowledge are testing the formula for ordinary table salt in dash. They are consistent with the Scottish questions and answering format for frequently employees in the elementary grades in teaching basic skills. आगे क्या disadvantage, according to the university in 1990, there are also a number of disadvantages with the short answer items. There are limited to content areas in which our students' knowledge can be adequately practically be only 1 to 2 words. They are more difficult to score than the other types of the objective items, since the students invariably come up with an unanticipated answer that are totally or particularly correct. Should short answer items usually provide little opportunity for students to synthesize, equate एंड अप्लाई इंफॉर्मेशन. आगे क्या है जी, नंबर 7 पे 0.5 ये क्या है, जनरली कंस्ट्रक्शन इन कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ऐसे टाइप टेस्ट आइटम्स. ये क्या है, रॉबर्ट एल्ब्रेट एंड एल्बर्ट फ्रेम ने 1991 में इन द बुक राइट द टीचर्स एंड ऑफन as concerned with the measuring the ability of students to think about the use knowledge as they are with measuring the knowledge they study process में क्या है, in these instance tests are needed that prompt students and some degree of related in their response. easy tests are adopt to the purpose. आगे क्या है, type of easy test. ये क्या है, easy test may be divided into many types. ये क्या है, divided easy test into many categories like selecting the recall based given फिर evaluate relevance, even the comprehensive of the two things on the single desire based comparison to the two things in the general decision for the gain and cause effect and explaining of the use of the exact meaning of the sum of the words, phrases, statement summarizing of the sum of the units and test books or articles, analyze the statement of the relationships, illustrating of example classification, application of rules, laws or principles to new suitable discussions, statement of the author, purpose in the selection or organization of material, criticism as the adequate correctness or relevant of a printed statement or to classmates answer to an answer on the lesson, recognize of facts, formulation of new questions, problems and questions related raised to a new method of procedure etc. आगे क्या, टाइप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन रिस्पॉन्स आइटम्स. ये क्या है, easy items can vary from very lengthy open-ended of the semester term paper or take home test have high flexibility पेज लिमिट. उसमें क्या एग्जाम्पल 10 से 12 पेजेस होते हैं, नॉट मोर देन 30 पेजेस होते हैं. टू ऐसे easy essays and responses limits or the restriction to 1 page to or less. Thus essay type items are often two types. ये क्या है, restricted response easy items और नंबर सेकेंड पे extended responses easy item. पहला नंबर 1 क्या है, restricted response essay items. ये क्या है जी, an essay item that possess a specific problem for which the students must recall problem information, organize it in a suitable manner, drive a defensible conclusion, and express it within the limit of the post problem or without a page or time limit is called a restricted response essay type. The statement of the problem specified responsible limitations that guides the students in responding and providing equation evaluation criteria for scoring. For example, list the major similarities and differences in the limit in the lives of the people living in Islamabad and Faisalabad. Number two पे क्या है, compare the advantage and disadvantage of lecture teacher method and demonstrate teaching method. आगे क्या है, कंटिन्यू होते हुए जी है रिस्ट्रिक्शंस रिस्पॉन्स ऐसे आइटम्स वो क्या, हु when should restriction response essay items be used. Restricted response essay items are used to analyze relationship, compare and construct position state necessary assumptions, फिर क्या है, identify appropriate conclusion, explain cause effect relationship, फिर है organize data to support viewpoint, फिर है evaluate the quality and worth of an item or action और क्या एक्शन, फिर क्या है, integrate data from several scores. आगे क्या है हमारे पास, extended response essay type items. ये क्या है, an essay type items that apply the student to determine the length, the complexity of responsibility is called an extended response essay item. This type of essay is mostly useful the systematic and evaluating the level of the cognitive domain. We are interested in determining whether the students can organize, integrate, express and evaluate information items or piece of knowledge. The extended response items are used, फिर क्या है, example, identify as many different ways to generate electricity in Pakistan as you can, give an advantage and disadvantage of each. Your response will be graded on the accurate, comprehensive and particular ability. Your response should be 8 to 10 pages in the length and is will be evaluated according to the rubric स्कोर क्राइटेरिया. ऑल्टरनेटिव प्रोवाइड जिसका नाम है RUBRIC. आगे क्या है जी, स्कोर ऐसे टाइप आइटम्स है क्या है, रूब्रिक और स्कोर क्राइटेरिया इज डिवाइडेड द इवेल्युएशन स्कोर्स एज एन essay type item. The rubric is an scoring guide for the subjective assessment. It is a set of criteria and standard linked to learning objectives that are used to assess a student's performance on paper, projects, essay and other assignments. Rubric allows for the standard evaluation according to specific criteria, making grading simpler and more transparent. A rubric may vary from simple checklist to elaborate combination of checklist and rate scales. How elaborate your rubric is depend on what you are try to measure. उसमें क्या टेस्ट आइटम्स में क्या, नेम एंड डिस्क्राइब 5 of the most important factors of unemployment in Pakistan. ये 10 ये एक ऐसे. आगे क्या, rubric scores and criteria. Number 1 point for each of the factor need named to maximize of 5 points. 1 point for each appropriate description of factors named to maximize of the 5 points. फिर number 3 पे not personality of spelling, punctuation, grammatically errors. फिर क्या है, no extra credit for more than 5 factors name or description. फिर क्या है, extraneous information will be ignored. फिर however when essay items are measured, higher order thinking skills of cognitive domain, more complicated rubric and mentor an example of rubric for writing test in a language is given below. इसमें क्या है, आपके सामने टेस्ट स्कोर आया है 7.1 स्कोर एंड रुब्रिक फॉर एसे टाइप आइटम्स, ये क्या है 8 क्लास, ये क्या नंबर लेफ्ट पे साइड पे स्टूडेंट आप देख रहे हैं, ये सीरियल नंबर है, फिर हमारे पास इसका क्राइटेरिया आ रहा है, फिर हमारे पास अनसेटिस्फेक्शन आ रही है, फिर हमारे पास प्रोफेंट आ रहा है, फिर हमारे पास एडवांस आ रहा है, फिर हमारे पास लेंथ आ रही है, फिर हमारे पास लेआउट आ रहा है, फिर हमारे पास वोकेबलरी आ रही है, स्पेलिंग आ रहा है, सिलेक्शन आ रही है एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग आ रहा है ऑफ आइटम्स, और फिर हमारे पास पंचुएशन आ रहा है, फिर हमारे पास ग्रामर आ रहा है. फिर हम देख रहे हैं अनसेटिस्फेक्शन में हमारे पास आ रहा है लेंथ ऑफ द टेस्ट विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉम्प्ट आ रहा है, फिर राइटिंग इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर्मेट आ रहा है, फिर एक्सप्लेन की वर्ड्स एंड नॉट यूज आ रहे हैं, फिर स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ मोस्ट वर्ड्स एंड इनकम आ रहा है, इनकम इनकरेक्ट आ रहा है, फिर फ्यू items and relevant to the test and the given test organization are a very few punctuation marks are use of some best grammar rules are. फिर हमारे पास आ रहा है proficient में हमारे पास आ रहा है length of the text with the best according to the prompt आ रहा है, फिर writing is according to the provided formation to some extent आ रहा है, फिर expected keywords are used to some extent are spellings of some words are incorrect are some items are relevant to the task and the given task organization are some punctuation marks are used में आ रहे occasional use of basic grammar rules में फिर हमारे पास आ रहे एडवांस length of the text will be according to the prompt or writing is completely according to the providing format are फिर expected keywords are used mostly are spellings of all words and correct are almost all items are relevant to the task and given task organization में आ रहा है, फिर almost all punctuation marks are used, फिर use of some basic grammar rules आ रहे हैं. इसका नाम है की वर्ड expected keywords will be prompted for each written prompt आ रहा है. आगे हमारे पास advantages of essay की types आ रहे हैं. ये क्या है, the many advantages of the essay types are as follows. Number 1, they are measured complex learning of outcome which cannot be measured by other means. Period. They emphasize integration and application of thinking and problem solving skills. फिर हमारे पास they can be easily constructed. The simple the given examen for freedom to response with a broad limit period. The students can be guide the answer because they have to supply it rather than selected. Period. Promptly it is practically it is most economic to use essay type test if number of students is small. Period. They required less time for typing, duplicate or printing. Period. They can be written on the blackboard also if the number of the students in is not large. Period. They can measure diverse thinking. अगर स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास लिमिट्स of essay type items. The essay types have the following series limitations as measured instructions. Number 1 पे क्या, a major problem it is lack of consistency in judgment even among competent examiners. फिर क्या, they have the halo effect if the hollow effect. If it is a examiner is measured of one character, he can be influenced in scoring by another characteristic. For example, well behaved students may score many marks on recording of the good behavior. और फिर क्या है, नंबर 2, they have a question to question carry effect. It examiner has answered the satisfaction in the beginning of the question, or the question has liked to score more than the one but did not be well in the beginning but did well later on. Number 4 पे क्या, they have the examine to examine carry effect. A particular examine get marks not only on the basis of what he has written, but also on the basis of the whether the previous examine whose answers books was examined by the examiner was good or bad. आगे क्या हमारे पास suggestion for the writing essay type items, इसमें क्या हमारे पास I ask question or establish tasks that will require that the students to demonstrate commandment of essential knowledge. This means that the students should not be asked merely to reproduce material hard in a lecture or read in the textbook. To demonstrate command requires that the question be some what novel or norm. फिर के new the substance of the question should be essential knowledge rather than the traps that might be a good broad game. Question फिर के number 2 पे ask questions that determine in the sense that experts colleagues in the field could agree that one answer is better than the other. फिर के questions that contain perhaps phrases such as what do you think or what is your opinion that are indeterminate. इसमें के they can be used as medium for assessing skills in writing expression, but because they have no clearly right or writing answer, they are useful for measuring other aspects of advantage achievement. Number 3 पे define the examiner task as completely and specifically as possible without interfering with the measurement process itself. It is possible to work an essay item so precisely that there is one or only one every bring answer to it. फिर tempo position of such rigid bound on the response is more limitation than it is helpful. Examiners do need guidance, however, to judge how extensive the response must be considered complete and accurate. आगे है हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिंग द टेस्ट. ये क्या है? टेस्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इसमें क्या है? टेस्ट असेंबली में ग्रुप टाइप ground together all items of the similar format. Example, the group of all the essay type item MCQs in one group. Arrange the test from essay from easy to hard. फिर है जी स्पेस द आइटम फॉर द इजी रीडिंग. फिर है कीप आइटम एंड देयर ऑप्शन ऑन द सेम पेज ऑफ द टेस्ट. फिर है पोजीशन इलस्ट्रेट टेबल चार्ट पिक्चर डायग्राम और मैप नियरली डिस्क्रिप्शन. फिर है जी आंसर की मस्ट बी चेक्ड केयरफुली. फिर डिटरमिन हाउ स्टूडेंट्स रिकॉर्ड आंसर. फिर प्रोवाइड एडिक्वेट एंड प्रॉपर स्पेस फॉर name and a date. फिर क्या है? टेस्ट directions must be precise and clear. फिर है टेस्ट must be preferred to make it easy from. फिर है make all the items unbiased gender culture ethical racial etc. फिर है जी नंबर 2 पे reproduction of the test. ये क्या है? manage printing of the test if test takers are large in number. पे manage photocopy from the proper new machine. फिर use good quality of pages paper and print retain or original test in your own custody. फिर be careful while making set of the test. Stamp different paper carefully. फिर manage confidently of the test. आगे क्या हमारे पास नंबर 3 पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द टेस्ट. इसमें द टेस्ट इज रेडी. ऑल द रिमेन इज टू गेट द स्टूडेंट्स ready and hand out the test. Here are some suggestions to help your students psychologically prepare for the test, maintaining a position attitude for the achievement, maximum achievement motivation पे equisize advantage to all the students पे provide essay, provide easy comfortable and proper seats पे provide proper system of light, temperature, air and water पे clarify all the results and regulation of the examination center of hall फिर rotate distribution फिर क्या remit the students to check their copies फिर है monitor students continuously फिर है minimize distractions, give time warning properly फिर है collect test uniformly फिर है जी हमारे पास नंबर 4 ये टेस्ट टेकिंग स्ट्रेटजीज ये क्या है by acting up to the following strategies the students may enhance their test taking strategy वो क्या है students need to follow directions carefully फिर students need to understand how to budget their time फिर क्या है students need to check their work फिर क्या for each item students need to read the entire test item and all the possible answer very carefully फिर है answer the easy question first and precise the end of the test फिर है students need to make educated guesses फिर है use test item formats for practice फिर क्या review the practice item and answer choice with students फिर क्या practice use answer sheets आगे क्या हमारा step to prevent cheating ये क्या है जी cheating is the big issue which while administrating test to get reliability and validity data and students learning achievement following steps can be followed to prevent cheating number 1 पे क्या take specific precaution to keep the test secure during preparation storage and administration students should be provide sufficient space on the test desks to work easily and to prevent use of helping material फिर हमारे पास if sketching paper is used have it turn in with the test फिर है tests hours must be written carefully walking around the room periodically and observe the students what are they doing फिर है number 2 पे for two forms of the test can also be used or use some items different in test to prevent cheating फिर है जी use specific setting arrangement while planning the students for the test फिर provide sufficient empty space between students फिर create and maintain a position attitude concern the value of testing for improving learning आगे क्या है जी scoring of the test scoring objective test items इस पे क्या if the students answer and record on the test paper itself a score key can be made by making the correct answer on the blank copy of the test पे scoring them in simple matter of comparing the columns of the answer of the master copy with the columns of the answer on the each study paper are stamp key which consist merely on the stamp of paper on which the column of the answers are recorded may also be used if more convenient. There can be prepared by cutting the columns of the answers from the master copy of the test and mounting them on straps and credible cardboard cut from the manila folders आगे वर्ष क्या computing items difficulty the difficulty of the test items indicating the percentage of the students who get the items right. However, we can compute item difficulty P by means of the following formula, in which R requires the number of students who got the items right and T equal the total number of the students who tried to item J के P is equal to R डिवाइड बाई टी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100. स्टूडेंट्स ये एक फार्मूला इसको आप देख लें. फिर क्या है, D इज इक्वल टू आर यू माइनस आर एल डिवाइडेड बाई 0.5 टी. फिर है D इज इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 0 डिवाइड बाई 10 इज इक्वल टू 1. आंसर आता है एन आइटम विद नो discriminating power is one in which an equal number of students in both the upper and the lower groups gets the item right. This result in the index 0.00 as follows. T is equal to 10 minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to 0.00. आगे क्या है, scores essay type test items वो क्या, according to NEG 900 1990 the chief weakness of the essay test is the difficulty of scores. The objectivity of scoring the essay questions may be improved by following a few rules developed by test expertise. A क्या है, prepare a score key in advance. Number B पे क्या, use an appropriate score method. There are two scores method commonly used by the classroom test teachers: the point methods and the rate method. उसके it is a good practice to grade each feature specifically and then add the point value to get the total score. आगे क्या है, स्टूडेंट्स फी अमानिल्लाह. यहाँ हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 7 यूनिट ख़त्म होता है आपका. 8602 हमारा यूनिट कोर्स था. 8602 हमारा कोर्स कोड था. तो फी अमानिल्लाह, बीएड का ये कोर्स था. फी अमानिल्लाह. तो गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम. और मुझे दुआ में याद रखेगा और मेरे चैनल मोहम्मद सफला खान को सपोर्ट करें, और मुझे ताकि मैं इसी तरह के आपके लिए और भी वीडियोस बनाता रहूँ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.